Abbas doing a lot of running. Alistair, nicely flicked on by Alistair, but here's Nazri Nasser. Sundramoorthy in support, he uses Sundram. Sundram latching onto this ball now, can he send in a good cross? Yes! He has got it! That is Abbas Saad at his enterprising best. He saw a crowd of defenders in the penalty box.
Wham bam, it's a jam. I'm Abbas. Sundram's gonna razzle dazzle you.
Be afraid, be real afraid, cause Alistair is here.
I'm Jang Jung. I will take you out.
We're gonna take you out. We're gonna take you out. Come on, everybody, feel the power. Feel the steam. It's the dream team. Come on, everybody, feel the power. Feel the steam. It's the dream team. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Left, right, up and down. Malik and crisscross.
Ravi's the fire, Kader the shallow, and Nazri shows who's boss.
That's what is new, but it stick like glue.
And Tomhais above the rest. One hand tackle and Jaya Vision is right there with the best.
Nothing can pass, Malik and Jeffrey. Once they will stop your shot.
Feel the power.